Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I won't be doing too much talking. I woke up with the worst sore throat, but I just wanted to say that I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe holiday. This will probably be my last video because I will be traveling for the rest of the year. So I'll probably see you guys in 2026. So I just wanted to say I love all of you and please have a safe, wonderful holiday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.